My name is Casey Whitsett, and this is my bike check. I'm going to start from the back and go to the front. My back tire is a Easton Bouquet Flyer. Pretty nice. Has a hole in it. Don't even know how that happens. My back rim is the Alienation Delinquent. Double walled, cheap. I would recommend it. I like it. My spokes are Shadow. My back hub is the Shadow Raptor. My chain is the Shadow Interlocking V2 chain. Oh, and I'll play my hub for you. I like it. It's pretty loud. My sprocket is the Shadow Scream. Yeah, it's pretty thick. Nice, everything. My cranks are Premium 1948. Nice. Had them for a long time. My pedals are Premium Slim PCs. I like them, but they break easy, so I wouldn't recommend them. My seat post is the Animal one that expands inside the frame. My seat is the Shadow Conspiracy Penumbra. Don't know how to say it, but it's nice. A lot of people want to trade me for it, but I say no. My frame is a Sunday Second Wave. Traded a friend for it. I like it. My bars are Premium Whiskey. Nice. Love them. My grips are both ODI long necks. My stem is a Shadow Conspiracy Strike FL stem. It's nice. And the only thing stock on my bike right now is the headset. It's called Cane Creek. That's what it says. Still works good though. My forks are Fit Shivs. Pretty nice. Yeah. My front tire is the Premium Refuse and Resist Folding. It's able to hold 100 PSI. It's pretty good. My rim is the Alienation Deviant. It's light and it's good, and I would recommend it to people. My spokes are Shadow. My front hub is a Shadow Raptor. The bearings are pretty nice in it. I love it. My pegs are Shadow Little Ones. Both of them. Really good to grind on. And yeah, that was my bike check. And now I'm going to show you the only trick I can do in my kitchen. Let's see if I can do this.